Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in this video tutorial we will discuss KMU-CAT 2025 test preparation part 1A. If you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट की प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो आप अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक कर लें और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. थैंक यू. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. द मोस्ट abundant immunoglobulin in plasma is option A IgA, option B IgG, C IgM and option D IgD. So the correct option is B IgG. Explanation is IgG constitutes about 75% of serum antibodies and provides long-term immunity against pathogens. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. The largest immunoglobulin is option A IgA, B IgG, C IgM and option D IgD. So the correct option is C IgM. IgM is a pentamer, 5 antibody units joined together, making it the largest antibody class. So this is very important MCQs. The plasma concentration of IgA is option A 1 to 5 mg per deciliter, B 40 to 200 mg per deciliter, C 60 to 500 mg per deciliter and option D 700 to 1500 mg per deciliter. So the correct option is B 40 to 200 mg per deciliter. IgA exists in plasma at concentration of 40 to 200 mg per deciliter, though it's more abundant in secretions. So this is very important MCQs. An immunoglobulin found in exocrine secretion is option A IgA, B IgG, C IgM and option D IgE. So the correct option is A IgA. Explanation is secretory IgA is the predominant antibody in mucosal secretions like saliva, tear and breast milk. Allergic reactions are mediated by option A IgA, B IgG, C IgD and option D IgE. So the correct option is D IgE. IgE binds to mast cells and basophils, triggering histamine release when allergens are countered. Dear students, the immunoglobulin with the longest half-life is option A IgA, B IgG, C IgM and option D IgE. So the correct option is B IgG. Immunoglobulin G has the longest half-life, which is 21 days, due to protection by the neonatal Fc receptor. So this is very important MCQs. The half-life of IgG is option A 2 to 3 days, B 5 to 6 days, C 8 to 10 days and option D 20 to 25 days. So the correct option is D 20 to 25 days. IgG half-life is approximately 21 days, much longer than other antibodies classes. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें। On exposure to any antigen, the first antibody to be formed is of the following class. Option A, IgA, B, IgG, C, IgM, and option D, IgE. So the correct option is C, IgM. Immunoglobulin M is the first antibody produced during the primary immune response due to its pentameric structure, which allows for efficient antigen binding. In allergic diseases, the concentration of the following is increased in the plasma. Option A, IgA, B, IgG, C, IgD, and option D, IgE. So the correct option is D, IgE. IgE levels are elevated in allergic conditions like asthma, hay fever, and atopic dermatitis. Thank you for watching my videos.